We're at 6719 South Karlov Avenue. I'm going to attempt to remove this shingle using the roof snake recommended by insurance. In order to remove this shingle, I have to move the two above it as I marked. So now proceed. As you can see, I just started. Already one point of impact. Another one here. Shingles are coming up. Another one here. Here. Now start with the second shingle. Here. Two more spots. Now I'll start with the third shingle. This one here. There. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on 3 shingles. I'm doing more harm than good. This attempt to repair has failed.